I feel that I have a responsibility to the fashion community.
Woke up feeling like posh spice. Only wear black and I'm not nice. Get what I want, I don't ask twice. Look good, but I'm still the bad guy. Me instead got rest some bitch face. I'm real as fuck, but my tits fake. Every bad bitch wanna kiss me. Wanna know how my man dictates. Ooh, that's trifling. You faded, I might be cool. I might see my neck froze. They bite me. Get no fuck, bitch, and posh spice. Fill my cup, bitch, and posh spice. Brand new truck, fuck the stoplight. Brand new truck, fuck the stoplight. Cold outfit, bitch, and posh spice. I'm that bitch, call me posh spice. Got a song for the highlights. Got a song for the highlights. Wrist so loud, so I don't talk much. Black high heel when I walk, I strut. Stone cold bitch, try to call my bluff. Sharks in the pool, cause I'm rich as fuck.